Hello and welcome to our poster, where we present how we can use satellite data in combination with data collected from other platforms for understanding the interaction between the mantle, lithosphere and cryosphere in the Arctic. The Circum-ARCTIC area, it extends from 60 degrees north to about the North Pole, and it experienced many changes in the last tens of millions of years. As a result, continents broke up and oceans were formed, as shown on the present-day bathymetry and topography map on the left. Eventually, the region was partially covered by ice, and consequently, the interface between the solid Earth, ice cover, and ocean sea level is changing continuously at different scales, as shown on the cartoon on the right. We can apply our understanding about Earth rheology, magnetic and gravity field, seismic wave propagation to infer the structure of its layers, for example, the crust and the mantle. Eventually, this knowledge is important for inferring the cryosphere dynamics. Here are a few examples of gravity models of the Circum-Arctic region based on gravity derived from satellite altimetry, which is combined with airborne, ground and submarine gravity data. These maps can be used to interpret major crustal boundaries. The magnetic data from satellites is also used to derive the lithospheric magnetic anomalies. When combined with airborne and ground data, we get a more detailed image of oceanic and continental magnetic anomalies that outline various tectonic features and seafloor spreading. The structure of the mantle can be derived from various seismic waves, and here are a few examples of Circum-Arctic mantle depicted by tomographic images at about 150 kilometers depth. The cold colors are showing thick cratonic lithosphere, and the warm colors are showing thinner lithosphere or domains of hot mantle. Note, for example, a corridor of thinner lithosphere under Greenland, which may have been carved by a mantle plume, the Iceland mantle plume, while Greenland was moving westward in the last 60 million years. Preliminary numerical models show that such a mantle plume can thin the lithosphere up to 30 kilometers and increase the heat flux. There are recent models that use the gravity models and other data to compute the thickness of the crust and the lithosphere. The magnetic models are used to calculate the depth of magnetic basement, and this can be used as a proxy for heat flow values. Note that direct measurements of heat flow cover less than 50% of the Circum-Arctic region. Our ultimate aim is to use state-of-the-art satellite and other data to construct a more realistic model of the three-dimensional structure of the Arctic, and this can be used to better understand cryosphere dynamics now and in the past. Thank you.